From the future adventure, greetings! Get ready to explore the world in unmatched elegance and luxury. Presenting the masterpiece that is transforming travel, the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026. Due to Volkswagen's unique aerodynamic lines, which produce a shape that is both fashionable and functional, its sleek, modern design is initially captivating. When the automated sliding doors open smoothly, you enter a world that has been meticulously planned for every journey. Under the hood of this RV are a number of state-of-the-art engines built for optimal performance and efficiency. Both a powerful plug-in hybrid diesel engine with rapid torque for long-distance travel and a silent and environmentally friendly all-electric EV powertrain with a large capacity battery that provides an exceptional range for zero-emission excursions are options. As you grab the wheel, a contemporary and intuitive UI awaits you. A large, curved touchscreen connects all of the essential vehicle information and functions, from the center console to the instrument panel. A cutting-edge entertainment system that seamlessly incorporates wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto can help you stay involved and connected. To ensure continuous connectivity and convenience, there are several USB-C ports, wireless charging, and accurate digital temperature control scattered throughout. The interior design is the perfect balance of style and functionality. Premium materials like certified light wood, soft recyclable linens, and vegan leather upholstery create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Because of its modular design, you may alter the area as needed, transforming it from a cozy dining area during the day to a tranquil haven at night. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views of every spot, yet customizable LED ambient lighting gives a unique touch. The bedroom is supposed to be a tranquil retreat. A comfortable queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress guarantees sound sleep after a day of exploring. Cleverly hidden storage spaces under the bed and along the walls boost your baggage capacity. Soft lighting and blackout curtains ensure a restful night's sleep, while adequate ventilation ensures the best possible air circulation. This little yet functional bathroom proves that luxury doesn't have to occupy a lot of space. An instant hot shower, a modern, energy-efficient cassette toilet, and a fold-down sink are all features designed to save space without sacrificing comfort. A mirror with integrated lighting and materials that are waterproof and easy to clean adds a touch of sophistication. The kitchen of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is the stuff of every adventurous chef's dreams. With a large refrigerator freezer, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a stainless steel sink, you can prepare delicious meals wherever you go. Because of its movable dining area and plenty of storage room for cookware and supplies, it acts as a hub for on-the-go culinary activities.